What's up, witches? I'm excited about this video because I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Mindful Souls subscription box, and I am so excited to open it up. So let's see what I got this month. Mindful Souls is a monthly subscription box, and it is sent to you in the mail. It feels like my birthday. I've been so excited to open this up, but I'm gonna drink a little bit of coffee first. In a jar. Okay, opening up, I love the packaging. I love their logo. It's really cute. Inside, you can see all of the items, and they all come with their own little bags with their logo on it. And then we also have an informational little material describing what is in the subscription box this month, and it's really useful if you're not some type of crystal novice. They explain the uses of the crystals if you have crystals in your box that month, so I think that that's really helpful and effective. I know it's just a packaging, but I'm really enjoying these little bags because you could keep like herbs, oils, and reuse them for different spell bags and aromatherapy cachets, which I'm really into because I love working with herbs. And I got a citrine point. So I use citrine for, like prosperity or just kind of motivation, to give yourself a little bit of motivation, like if you're trying to find a new job or if you have a job interview. I would definitely put this in my purse. I have a positive affirmation for money, so this would work really well on my refrigerator, seeing it every day to attract prosperity and abundance in my life. Real synchronicity, because I did need this. Ooh, come through, Mindful Souls. Okay, so this looks like a wrapped clear quartz with a little bit of jade and amethyst, but I'm gonna check right here what it is. It's the Tree of Life. Yes, it's clear quartz, and it is, of course, bringing in blessings in your life. This is really cool. I think I'm going to wear this necklace during readings to protect my energy and ground myself with the Tree of Life. Next, we have a face mask, which is, my forte. I love skincare. I've got a lot of videos on it. And this is a gold face mask, which I'm already a big fan of, with collagen, and I love my collagen supplements. And it is a peel-off mask, so I'm really excited to try this. And I got a piece of red argonite. I find this very grounding and great for meditation and finding alignment in your life. So I'll definitely be using this with my grounding spells, and this is going to be a great addition to my crystal collection because I don't have one. And that's what's so great about this box. You can try out new things and learn about new crystals and spiritual tools that you may not know about. So if you're starting off in the craft and wanting to know more, I feel like this would be a really good investment. Mindful Souls also incorporated this cute little sticker. It says, "Open your eyes, open your mind." And I also got a citrine bracelet, which is great. I love wearable crystals. As you can see, I've got a bunch of different gems and crystals, so I just never take them off. And this, of course, will help your manifesting abilities, and it's just great to have on. And I will say, I was super excited about this bracelet because my wrist is very small, and very rarely can I find a bracelet that actually fits me that's like not a children's bracelet, but it actually fits. Okay, next we have a little turtle. I think it's snowflake obsidian, and this is why this is so useful. Yes, it's snowflake obsidian, and it is a protective stone against the evil eye, and it soaks up negative energy. So snowflake obsidian is really good for protection. If you're going through a hard time, carry it around in your purse. And I know that my roommate is absolutely gonna love it because she loves turtles, so I'm gonna have to wrestle it out of her hands. All in all, I am very happy and pleased with this whole subscription box. I really can't wait till next month and see what I get. It's very interesting because the universe is just so synchronized, so I ended up getting the items that the universe wanted me to get because we're all connected. So I thought that was really cool and magical in its own way. And if you'd like your own subscription box, you can go to mindfulsouls.com and use my promo code Miss_Dylan for 20% off. Alright, witches, that about sums up our time today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did because I had a lot of fun. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any video requests, let me know in the comments. As always, sending you love, prosperity, and abundance. Love and light.